Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can restrict someone on Messenger. By restricting mean the person you select to restrict cannot message or call you on Messenger, but he or she is not also blocked by you. They are just restricted and you don't want them to message or call you on Messenger. So it's a really useful option if someone really disturbing you but you don't want to block them. So without any further ado, let's start the video. First, go to your Messenger and select the person that you want to restrict. I'm selecting this one and click on the I button on top of your right. Select here and scroll down. You can see the option restrict here. Click that one and confirm restrict that person. Confirm it, and that person has been restricted. And you can see there is also an option unrestrict. If you want to unrestrict it, you can unrestrict this person. And that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel.